Good morning, fifth grade teachers. I just wanted to share with you something that I recently learned from Cindy Bradley and Edward Semino on how to create trackers in Mastery Connect, which, as you know, is our new EDMS testing and data management system. So you first have to log into your Canvas. Now I've logged in my Canvas here, and as you can see, I have my published courses here, and then down below I have my unpublished courses. Well, if you scroll all the way down, you should see an unpublished course that the district has created for you. Okay, the reason you don't see it on my screen is because I already published mine. Okay, but yours will still need to be published. It's a course that the district made up for you, and they put in all of your students. They enrolled all of your students into that course. So once you publish it, it will then appear up top. Like I have mine here, and I personalize mine a little bit with a picture and whatnot. So once you publish your course, let's go ahead and go into it. Oops. Okay, so in order to administer the district assessments that we used to do on EDMS, you would have to create a tracker. But first, you have to go into Mastery Connect, which is right down here. See the little, what looks like a paint splash, and it's called Mastery. Click on it. And you get this right here. Okay. Now, as you can see, I've already created my tracker for math. I'm going to show you how to do that. So Cindy Bradley and Edward Semino have created something called curriculum maps. Curriculum maps are a collection of different standards that we would like to test on each benchmark and unit quiz. They have done all the hard work for us. They've created these curriculum maps, and then essentially all we have to do is find the curriculum map and create the tracker from the curriculum map. So how do we find the curriculum maps? Well, over here, see up top, the tab says Maps. Click on it. And down here on the left-hand side, see the ones where it says Shared with Me. Click on that. And now what we have is all the curriculum maps that have been shared with us teachers, okay? Now, if you're looking for the math curriculum map, then for fifth grade, then you're gonna have to scroll down. And look at all the curriculum maps that Cindy and Ed created for us. And we just keep going down and down until we find fifth grade math. We see ELD, we see language arts. Okay, math is coming up near the bottom. There it is right here. The CVUSD Math Grade 5 Curriculum Map. So what you want to do here is you want to create the tracker from the map. Click on that. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to name your curriculum map. Now remember, these are all the district required assessments or benchmark assessments and quizzes for our math program this year. So you don't want to put anything too specific like Unit 1 tracker or anything like that, because this is going to be for the whole year. So I would highly suggest you just call it Math Tracker 21-22 school year, okay? I think it's important for you to put the school year in there because we're not exactly sure how these trackers are going to be archived or whatnot, okay? So if you put Math Tracker 21-22, then you know this is going to be the this school year, okay? And then go down and click here to edit the color. You got all these colors to choose from. Purple is my favorite, so I always pick purple. And then down below here, where it says import students from SIS, and then import from what SIS, well, you can see it's got my designation here. So what it is we leave these two fields alone. We don't touch them, okay? And then what we would do is click on Create Tracker. Oops, I just created another tracker. And so if you go back to your dashboard, if you go back into your trackers, which you'd have to click on Mastery and then go back, now you see I have got two trackers going on because I accidentally created a new one. So let me take you into the tracker. That's not the one I wanted to go into. I wanted to go into this one. So go into the tracker you just created, and you created this tracker using the curriculum map. And take a look at this. Here are the third grade standards we should be teaching right now at the beginning of the year. And here is the Unit 1 assessment. Do you see right there? Trimester 1, Unit 1 quiz. Now, the Trimester 1, Unit 1 quiz is optional. So you do not have to give this one if you do not want to. But it would be nice to see how well our students are grasping the basics of multiplication and division. And then if you continue on, you can see a bunch of other fifth grade standards, but looky over here. The other dark gray column, well, there's our trimester 1 benchmark already included in the tracker and the curriculum map. And the trimester 1 benchmark is a required assessment, and it's already set and ready to go. I hope this is helpful to all of you. Talk again soon.